welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today I bought my first investment. Probably overpaid for it, I don't know, but you can see back there I bought a 1996 Yamaha Wolverine 350 4x4, and it's a full-time four-wheel drive. So the seller stated that it smokes, probably needs a top-end rebuild, and it wasn't running right, so he put a different carburetor on it. He had the original Mikuni carburetor with it that I have, but upon looking at it, looks like it's going to need tires. I think the wheel bearing is out in it on one side, maybe both. Brakes don't work. So he wanted $950 for it. It does have a title. It wasn't a current title, but it's a title. And so I got it for $750. I don't know, I may have overpaid by the time I put tires on it and rebuild it and get the brakes working, the bearing and everything else. I may have way too much money in it, but who knows. So it's going to be my first adventure on my addition to my channel, so look for that. That'll be coming up in the future. All right, I got a hour and 45-minute drive home, and then I'm gonna unload it. All right, appreciate you coming along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I'll have more content on this four-wheeler. And so all right, thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.